it's Rosie with Art Helps Heal. Today we're going to be doing the Visual Journals Kit. Have you ever felt depressed, sad, happy, mad? It's normal to feel emotions, and journaling or doing art is a great way to get your emotions out or express them. And you can do it in this kit. In this kit you will get a blank white journal, a pen, a pencil, and some markers. The first step you are going to do is to sketch out on the front cover of what you want to draw. You can do abstract, you can do you could do an emoji. You can draw what you're feeling. So if you're feeling angry, you can use bold, dark colors and use jagged lines. And maybe if you're in pain like me, you can use the color red to express how angry you are that you're in pain all the time. Or you can use light, pretty pastel colors if you're feeling at ease or you're having a good day. You can use yellow to symbolize the sun and how bright you feel on the inside. You can show what you're feeling in this journal. Find your inspiration. I came up with an idea that inspired me. I did different size circles to represent my different emotions. This is just my sketch. So now I'm going to go in with my markers and I'm going to color in the circles. Each different size circle is going to represent how much I feel that emotion. So maybe this smaller circle will be green for depressed, and this bigger one will be blue for sad, and then this even bigger one will be yellow for joy. I can't wait to see what you create. I know in this kit we're working on a cover right now, but what's really cool is you're gonna get to fill all of these pages with thoughts and emotions, maybe of a volunteer or a nurse or a doctor that made your day, or a friend who called you, and you can write about it or draw about it, and you can, in the end, you're going to be able to look back and see all of your artwork in one place. How cool is that? These markers are really cool. I like that the one end has a brush tip and the other end has a fine point. The brush tip is better for filling in bigger areas, and the fine point is better for writing or doing fine details. This is how mine turned out. In doing this project, I noticed that pain is bigger than most of the other emotions that I feel. I don't want it to be, but that's what I feel most of the time, almost all day, every day. What do you feel most of the time? Not only do I feel pain, but I also feel calm, sadness, worried, zen, frustrated, and sometimes I even feel more than one emotion at a time, which is why some of my bubbles overlap. And the lines or the links are because all of our emotions are linked to one another. Because one emotion can affect all your other emotions. And it's okay to feel different emotions. I hope you had fun with this art kit. I know yours turned out really cool. I'll see you in the next video.